Hey guys, last lesson, you made it. All right, so today all we got is formulas and substitution, another real quick and easy one, just like the literal equations one, okay? So it's just using equations, again, this time formulas, but we are given certain values on this one, and then we are gonna plug them in order to solve, okay? So let's look at a couple of examples because these are pretty straightforward. There's really not a whole lot to this. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. So the first one says use the formula D equals RT to find T when D is 36 and R is 9. Okay, so we're given this formula. So we've got D equals RT. Now, we are substituting. So they're telling us D is 36. So we're going to take 36 and we're just going to plop it right in where the D is. Okay, so we plugged that 36 right in for D. So now we're also told that R is 9. So we're going to plot that 9 in right where the R goes. Okay, so we've got 36 equals 9t. So if we want to get t by itself, we are going to undo that multiplication and we're going to divide by 9. Okay, just like we've done in solving for regular equations. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. So that means 4 has to equal t. That simple. Plug those values in where they go. Solve for the missing variable. Let's look at another one. All right, so if we've got the formula F equals 1.8C plus 32, and we want to find F when C is 37, okay? So we are just going to take that 37 and plop it right in for the C. So it's replacing the C, okay? The C goes away and becomes a 37. So F equals 1.8 times 37 plus 32, okay? Order of operations. F is already by itself here. So we're not trying to get anything by itself. We're just simplifying what's on the right, okay? So we know that first we would multiply before we add. So let's just work this out over here real quick. So we're gonna do 37 times 1.8. We know 7 times 8 is 56. I'm gonna go really fast here because I know you guys know how to multiply. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 5 is gonna be 29. Okay, so then we got our filler 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. Add all of that up. Low on room down here, so I'm going to write it over here on the side. 6, 6, carry the 1, and then 6 again. So, all right, so then we have to make sure that we account for that decimal, okay? So that tells us there's going to be one number after the decimal in our answer. So we've got 66.6 plus 32. So remember, adding decimals means we line up our decimals. So the decimal in that number would actually be here. And then we could add a 0 if we want, okay? But always make sure you line up those decimals. 6 plus 0 is 6. 2 plus 6 is going to be 8. And then 6 plus 3 is 9. 98.6 degrees, which is actually normal body temperature. Imagine that. So that means your normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. Go figure. All right, that's it, guys. You just literally take that formula they give you, plop in the value they give you, or values for the variables, solve for what's missing. Happy homework. See you guys next week.